the pyramid of your customers, okay? Now, this is probably the last thing I wanted to draw on a whiteboard and post on the internet, because people are probably gonna associate me with, pyramid schemes and selling shady things, all right? I guarantee you, I promise, I'm not trying to do that, okay? But if we take a look at this pyramid, like I said, this pyramid represents the people, your customer base in your local market. Okay, so this represents the buyers and sellers in your local market. Now, if you look up here, there's a little blue triangle up here. Okay, this should be smaller, but I want to make it bigger so you can see it on camera. But this little blue triangle here represents the people, the buyers and sellers who are ready to go, who are ready to buy or sell real estate today, okay? And fortunately or unfortunately, you and your colleagues and even your competitors, basically every realtor out there right now are trying to go after this little blue triangle, okay? And so if you are only going after this blue triangle, nothing wrong with that, okay? This is what we should do, right? You should go after people who are ready to buy or sell today. Now, if you notice, this entire pyramid, this huge portion of it, like right here, this entire portion is largely ignored, okay, by all your realtors, right? These guys are still your customers, but they're just not ready to buy or sell today, like right now, the second, right? But that doesn't mean they won't be ready to buy or sell, 90 days from now or 180 days from now. So what I'm trying to say here is, while all your competitors and even your colleagues are fighting over this little blue triangle, why not market yourself to this entire triangle, right? We're still going to market to this little blue triangle, but we're going to expand and try to market to this entire pyramid, right? And I want to ask you something. Who is in the market for real estate, right? Who is going to buy or sell real estate, right? If your answer is everyone, you are correct, right? Everyone is eventually going to be in the market for real estate. That's just fact, okay? So I'll write this down first. Everyone is eventually going to be in the market for real estate. So no matter who you're talking to, they're eventually going to be in the market for real estate. Like even 16-year-olds, right? They're just going to take, a few years before they are in the market. Now, we're not going to go after them, right? Those 16-year-olds are probably down here in the pyramid, okay? I'm only talking about this portion of the pyramid, okay? This pyramid represents people who are going to buy or sell real estate, either now, 90 days from now, or 180 days from now. Now, again, all your competition and all the other realtors are going after this little blue triangle, which are the people who are ready to buy or sell today, okay? My argument here is we should target this entire pyramid. And it's logic, right? It's logical here because we're going to reach a lot more people, and while your competition and other realtors are fighting over this little chunk, you are going to get the bigger piece of the pie. And the more you market yourself, the more you present yourself out there properly, the higher the chance these prospects are going to go with you, right? So the question here is, how do we do that, right? How do we reach out to this entire pyramid so that we can turn prospects into actual clients? Well, it's actually very, very simple, right? And the answer to that is we actually just help them by actually helping them, right? If you think about it, I know it sounds obvious, but if you think about it, all these people, right, whether they're ready to buy or sell real estate today or 90 days from now, 180 days from now, they all have questions, right? If they want to buy a place, they might look at a $1 million house and they're like, is this worth $1 million, right? Or they want to know if it's a buyer's market right now or a seller's market, so they can decide if they should sell their property right now, or maybe 2 years down the road, or maybe next year, right? These are all questions your customers have, right? And they can't answer that very easily for themselves. Now, On the other hand, it is very easy for you to answer these kind of questions because you are the local expert in your area, right? So you should be able to answer these questions very, very well. So what I'm trying to say here is you can actually help your this pyramid of your customers by actually helping them by actually writing out, producing marketing content that's going to help them, right? And once your customers, your prospects, receive the benefits of your help, they're naturally going to say, wow, you are a good realtor because you actually helped me, right? They're not gonna, and it's a lot better than if they see a poster of a realtor with a nice suit and a very big smile, and who do you think they'll pick, right? A realtor, a real person who actually helped them, or a realtor who just presents himself very quote unquote professionally. Okay, so this is the biggest thing realtors are missing out on, right? A lot of these realtors are what I call buy or die realtors, right? So basically they would cold call, door knock, host open houses, and they would call the prospects, right? Are you ready to buy today? Are you ready to sell today? They would ask that to the prospects, and they're like no, or they're like maybe, not yet, right? Or they're thinking yes, but you haven't really helped me, so I don't really want to give you my business kind of answer. And so after they receive the answer, if it's a no or not yet or maybe, these buy or die realtors, they hang up and they got nothing to do with these prospects again, right? So what you want to do here is you want to help the people who are ready to buy today, and also the people who are ready to buy or sell 90 days from now and 180 days from now. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Again, make sure you're marketing to everyone, right, who's ready to buy or sell real estate today, 90 days, or 100 days from now. So if you found this video helpful, please check out my book, .comagentsbook.com, The Future of Real Estate Marketing. It's only $5.60, and it's going to tell you exactly what to do to craft your marketing message and get more deals done this year, right? Not even this year. You can actually, my record is when I launched a marketing campaign, the third day I got a buyer who was ready to buy or sell, who was ready to buy a $1 million condo. Her budget was $1 million. Eventually, she bought a $847,000 condo in downtown Vancouver. Okay, that's just one little quick story for you. And the ad spend was $350. Okay, not a lot, especially when the commission for that is a lot bigger than $350. Okay, I would do that any day. I would trade $350 for 5 figures. Okay, so if this is what you want to do, make sure you get my new book, The Future of Real Estate Marketing. It's going to tell you exactly what to do and how to set up your marketing campaigns so that you can close more deals. Okay, again, .comagentsbook.com. Okay, so if you like this book, if you like this video as much as I enjoyed making it, make sure you like this video, leave a comment, and give it a thumbs up. Everything you need to do on social media. And if you see me anywhere on Instagram, YouTube, on the internet, make sure you follow me because I'm going to drop more goodies like this so you can close more deals. All right, it's Eric here again. I'll see you guys tomorrow during the live stream. See you again.